How to change your Amazon password. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the password of your Amazon account. So the first thing you want to do is simply update your Amazon shopping app. And now once you've updated your Amazon shopping app, simply open it. Now make sure you are logged into your Amazon account on this app, and now once you're logged in, on the bottom side of the screen you can see 4 different options. Tap on the second one, which looks like a profile, so tap on it. And now you'll be taken to this page where on the top side of the screen you can see 4 different options: your orders, buy again, your account, and your wish list. So tap on the third one, which is your account. Now you'll be taken to this page where right under account settings you'll have to tap on the option login and security. After that, right over here you can see the option named password. So in order to change your password, simply tap on the option edit right over here, and now you will be able to create a new password for your Amazon account and then replace the existing one. So simply enter your current password right over here. After that, enter a new password for your Amazon account, and once you do that and then tap on save changes, your password will be successfully changed. So that is basically how you change the password of your Amazon account. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.